Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number cannot be used at this time. Please try again later and your Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID or sign into Apple ID but you're facing a this type issue that your phone number cannot be verified or you cannot use your phone number. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to check your network that you're connected to a stable and the strongest network connection. And after that, go back, open up your settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Go back from here, tap on transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, your issue must be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's just still not fixed, so it might be that the phone number you are using is already linked to another Apple ID account, or you have to check for that. Or if your phone number is not linked to any account, but you're still facing the same issue, so you have to contact with Apple support team. Now to do that, you have to install Apple Support app in your iPhone, or you can also use Apple Support app. So I'm going to use an Apple Support app. Open Apple Support app here, select your iPhone from here, and then select more option. Just select App Store from here, and here you just have to tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find the phone number. You just have to dial this phone number whenever you want to talk and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.